Do you feel overwhelmed trying to eat healthy with your busy schedule? Watch this video to learn simple meal prep tips that save time, reduce stress, and make eating healthy easy. We'll show you exactly how to simplify your meal preparation without sacrificing nutrition. You'll discover bulk cooking secrets that save hours each week, learn which convenient foods actually support your health, and master simple cooking techniques anyone can use. By the end, you'll have a complete system for preparing healthy meals that fit your busy lifestyle. No more last-minute takeout or expensive meal services. Let's be honest. Between work, family, and everything else demanding your attention, preparing healthy meals often falls to the bottom of your priority list. You want to eat well, but conflicting advice and complicated recipes make it seem impossible with your schedule. Today, we're going to solve that problem by showing you how to create a simple meal preparation system that works for real life. These practical strategies will help you save time, reduce stress, and enjoy nutritious meals without the daily cooking struggle. The foundation of simple meal preparation is cooking in bulk. By dedicating just a few hours on a weekend afternoon, you can prepare meals for your entire week. This way of cooking will transform your relationship with healthy eating by front-loading the work when you have time. Start with slow cooker meals. They're perfect for bulk cooking because they require minimal hands-on time. Simply combine ingredients, set the timer, and go about your day while your meals cook themselves. Always create backup meals during your cooking sessions. These are your insurance against those hectic days when cooking is the last thing you want to do. Backup meals can be leftovers from your bulk cooking or super simple options like eggs or ground beef that take minutes to prepare. Another time saver is prepping ingredients in advance. Wash and chop vegetables, prepare proteins, and store everything in containers ready to use. This eliminates daily prep time and makes cooking feel effortless during busy weekdays. Beyond meal prepping, incorporating convenient food options into your routine adds flexibility without sacrificing nutrition. Natural juices with no added sugar provide vitamins and minerals in a convenient form. They're perfect for on-the-go nutrition when paired with protein. Beef jerky and sticks are excellent protein-rich options that require no refrigeration and can be kept in your bag, car, or desk for emergencies. Look for brands with minimal additives and preservatives. Other convenient healthy snacks to keep on hand include fresh fruit, olives, cheese, banana chips, coconut oil potato chips, plantain chips, dark chocolate chips, and sweet potato chips. These options combine nutrition with convenience. If you tolerate dairy, shakes and smoothies make quick, nutritious meals or snacks. Simply blend fruits, milk or yogurt, and protein powder for a complete meal in minutes. For an incredibly simple, portable meal, pair cheese with fruit and juice. This combination provides a balanced mix of fiber, carbohydrates, fat, and protein without any cooking required. If you find this video helpful, please see the link in the description for our free guide to nutrition, movement, and sleep. If you're new to cooking, don't overwhelm yourself with complicated recipes. Master these basic cooking techniques first: frying eggs, cooking ground meat, and steaming vegetables. These fundamental skills will give you the confidence to prepare a variety of simple, nutritious meals. As you become more comfortable in the kitchen, gradually experiment with different flavors and ingredients. Try new recipes and modify existing ones to match your preferences. Embrace the learning process. Cooking is a skill that improves with practice. It's important to remember that mistakes are inevitable and valuable learning opportunities. When you make errors in the kitchen, take a moment to understand what went wrong so you can adjust next time. When in doubt, rely on simple meal options that are difficult to mess up. Ground meat cooked in butter with salt, shrimp sautéed in coconut oil, and whole egg omelets are all nutritious choices that are hard to ruin even for beginners. Meal preparation doesn't have to be a solo endeavor. If you live with others, share the responsibility to make healthy eating more manageable and enjoyable. If you have a partner or roommate with similar dietary preferences, collaborate on meal preparation. Divide tasks like grocery shopping, cooking, and cleaning to distribute the workload and save everyone time. Building a supportive community around healthy eating provides motivation and accountability. Share recipes, meal ideas, and cooking tips with friends and family to inspire and support each other on your health journeys. Consider using grocery delivery services to save time when your schedule gets particularly busy. This small investment can prevent unhealthy food choices made out of convenience. So there you have it. Simple strategies to make meal prep a breeze. Want to keep simplifying your health journey? Check out this video and don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based wellness advice, and visit the link in the description for your free guide to nutrition, movement, and sleep. Have a question or tip to share? Leave a comment below. Your input helps us create even more helpful videos. See you next time.